is probably too big to keep. This is way too big. This is a monster right here. This gonna make the day here if I can get him. Look at that. He's taking all my line. Oh, we're gonna have to reel up and go chase him. We're gonna have to go chase this bitch. Get him. Oh, don't take all my line, dude. Oh, I'm running out of line. We chasing that big boy. I don't know what it is, but we gotta chase him. He stripped all my line out. I just want to see him. Let y'all see him. That's it. We don't care what it is. We can let him go. It don't matter. Let y'all see him. That's all we want to do. He's running again. He done seen the boat. This is a big fish. He's gone again. Let's go chase him some more. Come on. Damn, there's 2 ships coming. We got to get him. Look at that. I got him. Y'all fixing to freak out on this. Oh, that wore me out. That wore me out right there. I seen something hitting the edge of the rocks over there. And I was like, man, let me throw my line out there and try to see if I can't snatch him up. And I threw it over there and I snatched him up. Let's see what y'all think about this. What's wrong? See what y'all think about that. Look at that. Oh, you what?